just before to start, thanks Astarte, it allows sharing information and scientific support, and it's thanks to the energy of Anas, Véronique, Michel, Alexandra, Alias, Hassan, David, and all of you who are present here, because alone we do nothing.
You have 20 minutes.
10. I just 7 slides. So, numerical revolution, new ways of information by internet and international patient network. And health under the influence. So nowadays, the doctor is not alone in his desk, and we live in a world, and this world change, the information change, and a slide to resume different way of information. Nowadays, there is some scientific illustration, and this example, it's a book writing by Héloïse Chauchois, who is a scientific illustrator, and it was a command of Les Éditions Delcourt. So it's a very famous edition of BD. How do we say in English? Cartoons. Comics. And Delcourt do an appel d'offres to say we want to explain amputation, but in other ways than usual. So nowadays, this woman, 26 years old, spent 6 months in Garches, an hospital specialized in paraplegic, tetraplegic traumatology, and after she constructed an history accessible for everyone. Other things, La Guerre des Tétons, it's a patient who had a breast cancer and decided to talk about this pathway with love and a lot of humor, and to liberate patients of the isolation. Other things, Rose Magazine, it's a new paper since 2014, appears in France thanks to the energy of Céline Lisraoux, who is an ancient patient, and she was very disappointed by the general press, and for example, to buy something when we have a breast cancer, to buy some dessous, they have to go to pharmacy and so. And now she say, so we are a lot of women, and we want to share all information and not also black information. So, and all the patient in the first page of the magazine, it is a patient, and there is a mise en scène. Another thing, but Laure will talk of that, it's the réseau of breast cancer patient using contemporary tools like internet. So some patients don't want to go in the community. She want to do alone in their room, and sometimes it's easier for the patient to have information just closely, without people. And relative can also have information without sharing everything to everybody. And the last tool that I want to share with you, it was a documentary film on the way of reconstruction. And this documentary film, Aîné, come from a reflection of a patient. I arrived once in a debate around Amazon woman, and it was a patient a journalist, a psychiatrist, and me, the surgeon. And I present the study of a medical doctor, and I say, so there is reconstructed patient and not reconstructed patient to study the difference between the two patients. And Cathy Malouitre, who was a patient, created an association who say, in the middle of its difference. And she said to me, what is a not reconstructed patient? And I say, okay. It was like a boomerang. And I say, okay, in medicine, we have to constrict some group to improve. We have to show difference, why some different. And in the general language, we keep this group, but it's just medical group. And it's not comprehensive by the general public. And what is the definition of not reconstructed patient? So patient do a physical reconstruction, but never she's been reconstructed globally. And so we decided to create a group, and this group called InfoSain in 2011. And we were half patients, half medical, including doctor, but there was also nurse, aide-soignante, help nurse, communicant. Lydie Vince was the nurse pilot to buy this new information, and patient. And in this patient, there is Natalie, who was writing a blog to explain to his son. There were also Cécile Paschinelli, who created a mark of lingerie with asymmetric and something like Cathy Malouitre, the pioneer of this group. And all these women say, okay, to better reconstruct us, the common point of all the patients, it was the mastectomy. And some of them had breast surgical reconstruction. Some of them, like Laurence, had a tattoo reconstruction. Some of them lingerie reconstruction. So it was variated, but all it was mastectomy. And they say us at the first group, so we want visual and reading information. So we decided to do a documentary. For that, the réalisatrice spent 6 months around the Institut Curie. It was the Institut Curie at this time, and take time to listen to patients and to care provider. And after that, they take the camera and do the documentary. And so it was a quite long project. It took 2 years. There is a very high financial help, 160,000 euro. And we asked to a specialist in a production and a cinematographic team. It was not done by, it was very expert, Juliette Cazenave and Caroline Swisson. And the money comes from most of Fondation Michelin, who want to help health, but also laboratory, Institut Curie, and it was the financial support. And after, there is diffusion support by association, relay also by state ministry, and all of that. And nowadays, this film is accessed to by internet. It's free of charge. There is a subtitle in English and in Spanish. In English, in French, is Guérir le regard. In English, is Healing Our Perception. Guérir le regard, Healing Our Perception. And in Spanish is Navidad. So, I have. And so, what is donc the film? We show everything without censure, and we show scare of women, good and not good results, because the quality of results is very subjective, and the patients say, "Show us," and we are adults to have a point of view. So this example, it's a film. Huh? I just do screening catch, but it's in dynamic. So it's Cathy Malhuitre, and it is the asymmetric soutien-gorge. And it is Laurence, who was in this. It is Laurence, the same woman, who decided that. And after, in the film, we give some scientific information. So we explain the patient how about an implant surgery. And it was also a dessinateur, a scientific dessinateur from the Gobelin. Gobelin, it's a famous school in France who learned the cartoon. And the mother of him was witched by the breast cancer. And the mother of Héloïse Chauchois, she told me also. So, hazards of life. And after we show Grand Dorsal, Dieppe, Gracile, and lipofilling. And so I just finished on this slide. Without patients, we can't do anything about information. And so I take the parole to the other. Yes. Different patients who participate in the film. Sylvie, here, she had an immediate reconstruction by implant. Géraldine, it's an institutrice, and she decided not to do a reconstruction surgery. And this patient, there is a famous, she was metastatic at 28, polymetastatic, and there is a talk about reconstruction in polymetastatic patients. She wants a reconstructive, so we follow him. Nathalie Etienne was a patient very particular. She had a very, a blog very with a lot of humor. She tell to the patient everything, like when the surgeon go in the room and when they and this couple, it's also the very c'est très marrant. Very present in the film because it's a patient 70 years old and says, so I'm old, but I want a reconstruction. And the husband say, I respect my lady. So it's just some exchange between the together. And they are from Montpellier and a very special accent of the south of France. And so it's and with a cash. She talked very cash.